I play a little game here at my house to see if I can make something live from one year to the next. And this happens to be one of my little experiments. And this is year 3. Last year I had pretty blooms, but only a few blooms. And this year I sprayed this in my garage with Mineral-Gro, and it's gone crazy. I have never seen so many blooms on one plant in my whole entire life, and neither has anybody else. I've already picked these. I've deadheaded these 3 or 4 times. They just keep coming back. If you zoom in here, you can just see hundreds more coming. They're just coming everywhere. And the leaves are bright green, and they're happy. They're beautiful. Never seen so many leaves coming out. Every time I spray it, the leaves just come out more, the flowers come out more, and it's absolutely gorgeous.